जे सोनिया दे रंग देख लो।
Welcome you all 49th anniversary celebrations of Satya Sai EM High School. Firstly and most importantly, we are all welcoming you very preciously, very heartfully to the premises of Satya Sai EM High School. Once again, good evening to all respected parents and the audience, those who are presented here. We are going to be very glad of you. We are going to be very happy because you are presenting with your smile. So our students, everybody is going to be get ready to perform you, to stand in front of you, and they are going to give their best, what they had, their talent. So once again, we are going to be thankful of the teachers and all the staff and all the non-teaching staff, everybody. And mostly, this is the main purpose, the person one who is standing to be part of Satya Sai EM High School. So there is a man, there is a torch barrier. So one who had started this Satya Sai EM High School, our torch barrier to the Devarapalli, the place of Devarapalli is going to be enlightened today with the education. The education is started. There was a small ideology from the heart of the torch barrier. So he had been a great theme. He had a great ideology, he had a great contact with all the people. Why? Because he want to be build all the peoples in a good future. He want to give a good future. He want to lead everybody in a great position. So he is none other than our Sir Gopal Rao sir. Once again, everybody give your big round of applause to our sir. Thank you, sir. It is the 49th year. So next year it is going to be a 50th year. So nobody as a individual schools had been running like this successfully. But our sir had been standing and moving forward, taking a great words, being as an inspiration to everybody, to being as a great leaders to become into this world. So we are very thankful to our respected sir. And also moreover, for standing of our sir, so there is a backbone. So for every success, for every man's success, there is a key role of a man. So we know all that the proverb. So for the success of a man, there is a key role, backbone of a man. So that is none other than our principal madam. Our principal madam is supporting our HM sir and also to lead this Satya Sai EM High School very gratefully, very heartfully, very interestingly and very enthusiasm. So without the enthusiasm of our principal madam, so maybe nothing will be success. Once again, I am requesting all the audience, give a big round of applause to our principal madam. Without madam standing of the backbone to the sir, the Satya Sai EM High School will not be stand maybe. So thus there is a woman, one who is going to be success. So we very thankful to our HM sir and also principal madam being as a part of Satya Sai EM High School and being celebrating as a 49th anniversary celebration of this school. So my dear audience, my dear parents, my dear connectors of the Satya Sai EM High School, I am welcoming you. We all are welcoming you very heartfully very happily, very gladly, and very joyfully. So once again, we are very thankful for you. And please be very patient. Please be very peace. Please be calm in your places and watch what the students are going to be perform. This is the great day which we are waiting, which we want to be present ourselves. Actually, there are many words to tell about our Sathya Sai Im High School. So we would like to present every moment, present everything. And there was a great infrastructure which was running 49th year also. So this is the great moment. We are very happy. As a teachers, so as a teacher, as a sir, as a madam, so we all are standing to build a Sathya Sai Im High School in a great manner. So our passion, our sir passion, our principal madam passion is to bring a great leaders from all the hidden talents of the students. So we are very thankful for that. And being as a teachers, being as a pillars of the Sathya Sai Im High School, we are very happy, and we are being as a shadow of our Sathya Sai Im High School. This is a great moment. This is very happyful moment. Now this is the time I would like to invite our the leaders, our passion, the models, and also mainly the torch barrier of the Devarapalli education is none other than our HM sir, Venugopal Rao sir. Now I would like to call on to him as a stage with heartfully, and I would like to ask Nagarjun sir, please bring our HM sir to on the stage. Everybody once again stand, everybody. Could you please stand in your places? Rao sir, so this is the 49th year which was running successfully by the grace of Sai. And also, we would like to invite our principal madam also. Give a big round of applause. So this is a great time, and I would like to give a time to our madam to inaugurate the. Please.
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविद्योपशान्तये अगजाननमानन्दपद्मार्गं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na
నల్లంచు తెల్ల చీర అబ్బబ్బ అరాజకం నవ్వారు నడువంపుల్లో శవ్వారాల పూనగం ముస్తాబే వంటేసిందే నల్లంచు తెల్ల చీర అబ్బబ్బ అరాచకం నవ్వారు నడువంపుల్లో శవ్వారాల పూనగం ముస్తాబే వంటేసిందే కాచుకున్న పుట్టుమచ్చ ఎడుందో పట్టి పట్టి చూడవచ్చా ఒంటిలోనే గోరు వెచ్చ కాబట్టే గోరుతోటి నిన్ను గిచ్చా సొగసు దాటి వయస్సు గిట్ట గలాట పెట్టచ్చా గుండెల్లో రచ్చ ఎక్కేసిందే ఈ పిచ్చ పరువాళ్ళకి ఫెన్సింగ్ ఉండచ్చా వచ్చా పెదాల్లో తేనె దోచుకెళ్ళవచ్చా ముక్కు పుల్ల ఆకుపచ్చ అదేమో కట్టినాది ఎక్కచ్చా కరెంటు వైరు కురులతో అట్ట ఉరేసి చంపచ్చా భారాలన్నీ చూసొచ్చా నేను కొంచెం పోయొచ్చా సుకుమారం సోలో గుండొచ్చా
And also everybody listen, there will be a YouTube link. Dear parents, don't come forward.